Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing or not launching on Xbox PC app. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your Windows updates up to date, and also your graphics GPU card is also up to date. For me, in NVIDIA app, you just need to look for that particular graphics drivers here, and then look if there is an update, and if there is, just download it and then restart your PC. Another thing that can help is your GPU accelerated thing. So go to graphics settings, go to advanced graphics settings, and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is disabled. Also, if you have on Xbox app Forza Horizon 6, you just need to add a Microsoft Store app. Wait, and then look if there is the game available for you here. So let me find it quickly, add it, then scroll down a bit until you see Forza Horizon 6, and then make sure to select high performance, right? Then if you're using MSI Afterburner, it will look like this. If using Riva Turner is installed to your computer, try to disable these from your system tree, because in a lot of times it will prevent you basically from running the game. So if you're having some default FPS counter, third-party FPS counter, Riva Tuna, MSI Afterburner, just open up Task Manager and close all the related tasks here. And then look if the problem persists after that or not. And also, if you're using overlays like on Steam, on Discord, on NVIDIA app, just try to disable them all and then look if the problem persists. For example, on settings, NVIDIA, you can easily find it and disable that particular overlay. And still, if this do not work, then I suggest to do is to go to graphic settings, look for your game, Forza Horizon 6, and then make sure it's optimized for Windows games as well. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.